Chitchat English.
Hello, what is your name?
Hi, my name is James.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
What are your hobbies?
I like to cook.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
Can I help you with anything?
No, I'm good, thanks.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Not yet.
What's your favorite season?
I like autumn.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, but I would love to go.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your dream vacation?
I'd love to visit the Maldives.
Did you enjoy the concert?
Yes, it was amazing.
How's your family doing?
They're doing well, thank you.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I like comedies.
How do you relax?
I watch TV or read.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dolphins.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, and I love it.
Are you sick?
Yes, I am.
When will the meeting finish?
I don't know.
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 7 years.
Would you like to leave a message?
Please ask him to call me back.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did.
When will he be back?
He'll be back in 30 minutes.
Can I speak to Alex, please?
I'm sorry. He is not here at the moment.
Is there a bank near here?
I'm sorry. I don't know.
How long does it take?
It takes an hour.
Have you been waiting long?
Only a few minutes, dear.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to the beach.
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, of course.
Could we have lunch together one day?
With pleasure.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
What are you planning for after work?
I'm going shopping with my friends.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to go to the beach.
Do you prefer traveling by train or plane?
I prefer a plane.
What do you usually do during your trip?
I visit museums.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have. I went to London last year.
How many countries have you traveled to?
I've traveled to 5 countries.
Do you have any rooms available for the 14th of April?
I'm sorry, we don't have any rooms available.
How long will you be staying?
I'm here until the end of the month.
Do you have a credit card?
Yes, I have.
May I see your ID, please?
Here it is.
What kind of room would you like?
I'd like a single room, please.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
What time do you close?
We close at 8 p.m.
What time do you open?
We open at 9 a.m.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, if you like.
Do you need any help packing?
No, thanks. I can manage myself.
Can you offer me any discount?
Yes, of course.
How much would you like?
I'd like 2 kilos.
Where can I find the milk?
It's in aisle 3.
Could you tell me where the fruit is?
It's on the shelf.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for coffee.
What's the purpose of your trip?
I'm on vacation.
Would you prefer an aisle seat or a window seat?
Aisle, please.
May I have your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
How long have you been feeling like this?
For 3 days.
What are your symptoms?
I've got a headache.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy playing tennis and swimming.
What's your favorite food?
Sushi is my favorite.
What's your favorite color?
I love the color black.
What's your favorite drink?
Orange juice is my favorite.
What kind of films do you like?
I'm a fan of horror and action films.
Where do you study?
I'm a student at Cambridge University.